at the Bronx Zoo.
Yay!
With an ice beer. Ice beer.
And shrimp.
And there are so much shrimps here.
I don't see the ice beer because it's there.
Ice beer, come over here, dude.
Polar bear.
Come on, polar bear. Oh, God bless Daniel that she knows.
That's me. That's me. Hi Maxime, do you want to tell something to a video? I'm a shrimp. And she has a wooden leg.
She has a wooden leg with a glassy eye.
No. Now I have a hairy leg because it's of a, my leg is of an old. No.
She took the leg from an old man
Who died. Who passed away.
She has a very hairy leg. But let's talk about some serious things. Can I start? This morning we wake up very, very early.
We woke up.
Hallo, dit is serieus. And then we went to Guggenheim. It was very interesting, and we were happy we had our touring guide Fien. I don't know where she is, but Fien is lost.
Fien is talking to the Jews.
Fien, where are you? Fien!
Oh, there she is. Who's our Russian touring guide?
Over here, please.
Fien! We need a touring guide. Tell something about Bronx Zoo.
No, about Guggenheim. She was our touring guide. Tell us something.
How many floors did Guggenheim have?
Yes. Seven floors. And how many paintings were there?
180.
No.
1,387, you said.
No, that were the pencils they used. Yes. And how much pots of Ferrer? 300,000. She knows it. 86. Yeah, we asked Fien, she told us everything. Yes. But after that we went to the metro, like we always do, with the metro. Or the subway, I'm sorry. The subway to the Bronx. And the Bronx, I have to be honest, I was a little bit afraid because some people told us there were a lot of gangsters, but
in the ghetto.
After all, now we are here, there are only Judas people, just like yesterday, and the day before yesterday, and the day before yesterday. Just like us, it's an invasion.
Dat hadden we een reportage maken over de Joden. Ik heb dat op YouTube.
YouTube? So, and
maybe we can make a video on Times Square tonight.
yeah, no, because this is already for
an extra video.
Oh, an extra. Yeah, this evening we are going to Times Square. I think I'm going to have it's cold. But yeah, I still like it here. Hey teacher. Hey mom and dad. So, is there somebody else with a big hand who wants to say something? Wie wil er een mop vertellen? Go guys! Een mop!
Oh, the touring guide wants to go.
Oh, the touring guide wants
She's
to
Russian.
go. She's Russian.
Bye, Ankie.
Bye. See you tomorrow.